Hi friends, welcome back to Baran Creations Art, Craft and Cooking. So here I'm back with a art video, unboxing and review video. So in this video I'll be unboxing Brustro gouache and Brustro canvas boards and this is 300 GSM A4 size paper. So Brustro has a wide range of products and their quality is amazing and I like Brustro products a lot. So I was planning to buy gouache colors from a long time, but when I saw them in stock I just purchased it. So it costed me rupees 849 and plus 60 delivery charge. Okay, I forgot the price of this canvas boards and this paper, so we'll mention it in the description box. So let's unbox this gouache colors. So let's remove this outer covering. So we'll give my brother to open this. Okay, come open this one. Let's just stir this up. First. Okay, enough. So, Brustro. I love Brustro products a lot. So here, let's open and look inside. So the delivery was very fast and I did not receive any of the defective products till now. See, it's like it's looking very awesome. Okay, there are 24 colors. Each tube is of 12 ml. So here we have 24 colors. So here let's open and have a look. I'm very excited. It's okay, let's open it. They are looking pretty good. So I have a lot of things to unbox. So stay tuned. Okay, see, we have 24 colors. We'll read out the names. So this is titanium white. This is lemon yellow. This is mid yellow. This is vermilion. This is scarlet. Crimson. So I like this color, rose color, yeah. And this is hot pink. This is mauve, violet, okay. And this is teal, one of the favorite colors. And this is cobalt blue. This is ivory black, burnt umber. This is burnt sienna, yellow ochre. This is flesh tint. Olive green. This is viridian. Sap green. Yellow green. Prussian blue. Ultramarine. And this is cerulean blue. Okay. So here these are the 24 colors. Gouache is a water media. It is opaque water media which has a bit more thick consistency than watercolors. And one thing is that you can even use a lighter color after painting with a dark color layer. So you can create different tones using this, and it is more opaque than watercolors. So I just love this, and let's create a color swatch of this Brustro gouache colors. So here I'm using 300 GSM A5 size paper, and this is 160 GSM black color paper. So we'll create a color swatch using this. So let's open it. So the packaging is awesome and the quality is like super. Okay, you can mix water with this gouache colors. So we'll create a color squash, color swatches. So I created color squashes, one on black and the other on white. So some colors are looking vibrant on black and some on white. So the most favorite color is in this set is rose and teal. So next comes next comes yellow green and lemon yellow. So violet purple is one of my favorite color. So here and at the end I would like to say that these are like worth the money, and they are very good. So I'm in love with this gouache colors. This medium is very good. And so you may be wondering that why I have suddenly started uploading art supplies unboxing and review. So let me tell you that we have a so actually, I love painting a lot, and I have recently started created a Instagram page. So the name I'll put it on the screen. So the name is at artistic_art gallery. So do support me there and follow our Instagram page, as you are supporting and following our YouTube channel. And I hope you all will do it. And thanks for watching. And one more thing is that this product is very good, and I want to say that this is not a sponsored video, and I just love these colors a lot. And if you are a beginner, then it's good to go. Actually, Winsor Newton and Sennelier and those brands are a bit more expensive than Brustro, but Brustro is a mid-range product with the best quality. So you can buy this in Creative Hands website or Amazon. So thanks for watching, and do like, share, subscribe and comment, and hit bell icon to get notified, and don't forget to follow our Instagram page. And thanks for watching. Keep watching Barn Creations and stay tuned.